So you have to be able to present your story in a succinct manner. Now, how can you prepare for this? There are questions, DBQs, what they call Disability Benefits Questionnaire, I think, that you can help practice and frame up your story. Now, you may be asked these questions or not in your interview. And really, the purpose of this is not to give you a way to kind of circumvent the system. This is for you to practice your story in a very succinct way. This way, when you get there to the position and they ask you questions, you're already prepared. And it might even be beneficial for you to write your story down. That's the second value point. Write the story down. Take the time. This is a very important meeting that will shape the rest of your life. The VA will be with you for the rest of your life. So take the time to write down those stories and maybe hand it to the physician and say, hey, I want to make sure that I don't miss any important aspects. So do you mind if I refer to my notes and I give you a copy? This way, the doc knows that you took the time to come in there and prepare for that exam. Now, they're going to be running the show, but you also are a part of the show. Give them that document or tell them the story. But either way, it is important that you communicate that story to them. The second and last final value point that I want to tell you is find a nurse, find a medic, find a PA, find a doctor. They're around. They're on your military installation. Find them. Network with one. Ask them to take a look at your medical records for you if you allow them to. And just quickly comb through it and, kind of say, what do you see here? And then also maybe ask them like, hey, would you mind if I, practice with you kind of telling my story? I don't know a nurse, a physician, a PA that would not be wanting to help you if you explain your case to them in a very good way. Heck, I'll help you. Send me an email. I'll help you walk through some stuff points. But the end of the story is prepare. Make sure you prepare. Do not go into that exam as if the first time you rehearsed your medical story, because your medical story has a value to it. It has a rating value to it, which leads to a compensation value. And the VA and these ratings will be with you for the rest of your lives. I hope that has value.